Plumbers. Today I've decided to work with you throughout my job. This is one of my sites. I've started the exterior work, that is waste and clean water connection. It's a double line waste, but single line PPR connection. We are going to have by the septic and the sock pit. This is Agape. I'm now on exterior job. Before I did the interior work with the PPR, that's clean water, then PVC, that's wastewater. Now I'm outside, that is exterior work. breather. Every toilet must have a breathing system because of the chambers, so that it cannot. Okay. Manual should have a breathing system after everything has come out from the toilet to the chamber direct to septic. So if you don't put a breathing system, which means the chamber can burst because of that hot air. Okay, so you have to put a breather in every toilet. Here is where we are going to have our bioseptic, then soft treat. This is the toilet, and here is where we are going to place our toilet. Here is going to be our a place of bathing. Then we have got a tap. Then hand wash basin. Because inside the bedroom toilet is a bit small, that's why we decided to bring the hand wash basin here. This is where we are going to install our hand wash basin. It's a double line work, but inside the house it's a single line, which means PPR single line, which means that we are going to use instant heater. The fittings are not going to be mixed. If you have a double line piping, PPR piping double line, that means we are going to use a mixture fittings, and probably we may have a solar heater or something to do with like Aston heater, which is one of the heaters which supply the house with the hot water. But here we're just using single water with instant heater. Everything is cold water. Only the shower is going to be hot water. This is a kitchen, but they have not erected the working table. So I'm waiting for them first to erect the working table. This is when I go on with the fixing of the sink. On the line of double line, I decided to show you because that is one of my work, and especially at the moment, people like double line. People have just decided to live about septic. People are using bioseptic, and it's economical and long lasting. If you need my job, please, that's my contact. Agape Plumbers, 07 13 79 50 82. Let's create a big community and awareness in many of our friends so that we can create a big community. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.